What makes an e-commerce migration successful?
So I'd say, first of all, a successful migration is when you don't lose traffic from the SEO perspective, when you don't lose traffic. And also, even if you lose traffic, it goes back to for example, within 2-3 weeks. But also, if we talk about conversions, it's also important that not only traffic is not down, but conversions are not down. And this is a different thing, and especially when it comes to website redesign. This is not something that, for example, an SEO can be responsible for, but in general, if you talk about successful versus unsuccessful, I usually have benchmarks before and after, and I save information about traffic, about conversions, about site speed, all this important information, and then check afterwards. And if this afterwards is the same or better, then this was a successful migration. One thing that I need to point out, though, is that a migration usually, in most cases, doesn't happen to improve or increase traffic, unless it's a consolidation. I'm not talking about consolidation right now, but the migration usually happens when you actually need to change something, but not for traffic increase. So, for example, if the client wants to increase, to move from Shopify to WordPress to increase traffic, this is not the right goal for a migration. And then if the traffic is the same, it can be viewed as unsuccessful migration, which is not true. Yeah, I hope this helps.